From criminals trying to kidnap officers to fatal crashes, we look at the most tragic moments ever caught on police dashcam.
Turn around, put your hands right there real quick. You got anything on you? You shouldn't keep your hands out of your pocket.
I wasn't. I don't have anything on me, officer.
Put your hand behind your back.
Officer, I don't have anything on me.
Behind your back.
Officer, why are you? What? Can you just tell me, officer? Please, can you tell me what I'm under arrest for? Please, please. Oh, please.
Get out.
September 14th, 2022, Deputy Shane Iverson pulled over 29-year-old Timothy Michael Randall for a traffic violation.
Good evening.
How you doing, sir?
Good. I'm Sergeant Iverson of the Russ County Sheriff's Office.
Yes, sir.
The reason I pulled you over is you blew that stop sign back there.
No, I didn't. I came to a complete stop at that stop sign.
Deputy Iverson told Randall he had pulled him over because he saw him run the stop sign at the four-way stop, which Randall denied having done. The officer then told Randall to get out of the vehicle, which he did.
I'm just wondering.
Turn around, put your hands right there real quick. You got anything on you? You should.
After a short struggle, the officer fatally shoots Randall in the heart. Randall still manages to run away but collapses shortly after. Randall's mother, Wendy Tippett, filed a federal lawsuit claiming wrongful death and civil rights violations. This man in the orange shirt is Devoria Thompson. After he pulls up to an alleyway, he has a short conversation with a man off camera before shooting the man. Devoria then drives away as the victim walks casually in front of the security camera with a leaking wound. The next day, Fort Worth police officers pursue Devoria, but when he realizes he's being pursued, he exits the vehicle and opens fire. The officer gives up the pursuit due to injury sustained during the shooting.
Other officers tended to the wounded officer on scene.
The suspect was later found and arrested at his Arlington home.
Alright, take your time, take your time. Lay down on your stomach. Lay down on your stomach. Take your time. Lay down flat. I'm ready, Bobby. You ready? I'm ready.
After an alleged road rage incident, 20-year-old Ureni Rizzo Gonzalez is pulled over, arrested, and placed inside a police cruiser for transportation.
What's going on? Why am I being...
But the police cruiser was parked on train tracks, and by the time officers realize there's a train approaching, it's too late. Ureni amazingly survived the incident, but suffered several broken bones and a traumatic brain injury. New Mexico State Police Officer Darian Jarrett initiated a traffic stop on a white Chevrolet pickup.
Hey, real quick. You have fire money? Yeah. Oh no, I see it. Please, do me a favor.
The officer and suspect talk for a while before Jarrett exits the cruiser and opens fire at the officer at point blank range with an AR-15, fatally wounding Officer Jarrett. The incident sparked outrage, citing that the officers should have partners at all times. An officer's dashcam shows the moment a semi-truck slammed into an SUV that had stopped in the road after being pulled over. 4 people died in the crash.
Not taking you to jail.
Trooper Jesse Gregory was talking to the driver of this traffic stop from the passenger side when a black SUV hit the pulled over vehicle.
You're suspended. Not taking you to jail. 362 City, I was just hit by a car. Sorry, man.
An officer attempted a traffic stop on a biker. When the biker wouldn't stop, the officer does this. The driver then confronts the officer, but the officer is in a violent mood. The driver suffered a broken collarbone and sued the police department for excessive force. Workers called the police on a man who was allegedly trespassing, but when the police arrived, they used more than just excessive force. The victim, Lynn Santara, was violently subdued and bitten by police canines, leading to a $100,000 lawsuit. A Milwaukee woman has been charged with 5 felony counts after allegedly slamming into a squad car and speeding off. After a high-speed chase, a police officer tackles a suspect to the ground.
He crashed.
Little did the officer know that the suspect had friends that were about to help him, and the officer was about to be outnumbered. Luckily, some good Samaritans watch the situation unfold and go to help the officer.
I'm not breaking anyone's heart.
An officer mistakes an innocent bystander for an armed burglar.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. These hands in your pockets. Turn up your chains, bud.
Excuse me.
You're being detained, bud.
When the innocent man reacts, the officer body slams him to the ground.
You match in the description of someone trying to break into people's cars.
I'm not breaking anyone's heart.
Get on your fucking back.
Minutes later, this presumed suspect was proven innocent.
And then we explain.
I don't know what I did wrong.
I was trying to explain to you, but you wanted to keep pulling away. So now you're under arrest for obstruction.
Video from a squad car shows a vicious attack on a Brooklyn Park police officer. The officer pulled over 25-year-old Lance Carr before suddenly realizing that the driver is a wanted felon. The suspect then jumps the officer. Backup finally arrives to help the officer. Police dashcam shows the moment a gas leak caused an explosion on a residential street. Dashcam video shows a cop saving a child's life. This is the boy now, happy and healthy after being saved. An officer was on routine patrol when he realizes the car in front of him was trying to take the officers hostage.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car, dude!
An officer attempts to initiate a traffic stop but gets dragged by the suspect's car. The officer was obliged to use force to save his life.
He's refusing to get out of the car.
Dude, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car, dude!
Police are pursuing Anthony Alfonso Sanchez after a call regarding shots fired. Officers perform a pit maneuver, disabling the vehicle.
Slowed down. Speeds of 28.
Hands! Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him?
Hands up the car! Hands up!
Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground!
What's going on? I got you! I got you! Dude!
Get out on the ground.
The fuck? Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! What's going on?
Get on the ground.
Okay, I got him.
He's got a holster.
Sit in the car. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Lift up. Okay. What the fuck's going on? Okay, sit.
After Anthony is placed in the cruiser, he notices that he's not being watched and takes the opportunity to carefully maneuver his way into the front seat, still being careful to not be seen. And once he slips into the front seat, he is now on the move again.
I copy. Serial number returning Carbo, no record.
Anthony makes his way down the motorway, but further along, units have been informed of the stolen cruiser. In preparation, officers have closed the road, and officers deploy spike strips to disable Anthony's stolen cruiser.
Is that what she said? What's in the captain's car? Nothing. Where you want me to take this? Okay. Switch, Candy. I don't have a vehicle. Where's the keys? You got the keys in it? I don't have a vehicle. Good sticks. You got the keys in it? Good sticks. We got them too.
The spike strips were a success, and Anthony loses control, crashing into a nearby truck.
Vehicle's down there.
Officers rush to the scene, but Anthony's vehicle is completely wrecked.
I don't want to do it.
Los Angeles, February 20th, 2024. West Valley Patrol units observed a Toyota Camry driving southbound on Balboa Avenue without its lights on. The officers attempted to conduct a traffic stop for the infraction. However, the officer did not stop. As a result of the only violation being an infraction, officers did not pursue the vehicle.
Alright, going on, not going in pursuit. It's raining. Failure to yield suspect. Let's see which way they go. On the clock.
The officers continue to drive in the Camry's direction and observe the Camry in the distance negotiate an eastbound turn onto Ventura Boulevard. When officers reach the intersection of Ventura Boulevard and Balboa Avenue, they observe the aftermath of a single-party crash involving the Camry.
839 for a piece.
I got it. 1039, this was related to our traffic stop. When we lit them up, they took off. We were putting out info on failure to yield. They TC, Ventura, and Balboa. We're now code 6, Ventura, and Balboa.
As officers deployed on the Camry, it began to smoke and caught fire. The officers approached the vehicle and broke the vehicle's window in an attempt to open the door and save the occupants.
Can you get out?
No emergency at this time.
Watch out, I'm gonna pop the airbag.
No, you're just making a backup so units can respond to the street.
Any vicinity, 1039
I can't open it. I need to get you out of the car. Watch out, hey, watch out, I'm gonna break the window. I can't open the car, you gotta get, go, get out, get out, get out.
I can't open it. I can't get out. My leg's hurting.
You gotta get out of the car, you gotta get out of the car.
Oh. No, I can't.
Yes, sir. Dragger. Dragger. Get the driver out. Get the driver out. Hold on. Fuck. Hey, get out, get out. Get out, here, this way. Get out. Get out. Anybody else in the car?
fuck?
The officers then realised that there was a third occupant in the back of the car and realised there's nothing they can do.
Hey, is there another person in the car, yes or no? Three? Get back off the street, sir! Fuck!
That person's gone from the back seat.
See anybody in the back seat?
No? Okay. He's a blow.
The officers were able to remove the front two passengers. After the front occupants were extracted, the vehicle erupted into flames, preventing officers from extracting the passenger in the back of the car. The passenger was trapped in the vehicle and was pronounced deceased at the scene. The victim was later identified as a 16-year-old female. Thanks for watching. Click on the video on screen now for more content and subscribe for more. Goodbye.